nursery room, just for a less worry of allergy, we highly recommend the faux pampas. Usually pink, white, baby blue, light grey, or light natural cream colors are very popular. These ones do not shed at all, and as being artificial, you really don't have any problems with allergic reactions or any reaction. The aroma of eucalyptus. You know, some people wonder, well, is the whole place or the whole venue going to smell of eucalyptus? No. When it's preserved eucalyptus, like the apple leaf ones, it just gives off a soft, fresh, overall scent of just softness and preserved eucalyptus. It's not going to be overwhelming, it's not going to be too strong, and it will most definitely spa theme. They can just sit well on a mantle or a countertop in the kitchen, and an entranceway. Anything that you want to use in contrast with the color, they really work well with. And the blue, it's very rich in the colors, just beautiful. Can't go wrong with the blue preserved eucalyptus.